SUVs have gotten so good at pretending to be perfect that it's almost impressive. But don't be fooled. Some SUVs on this list are disasters waiting to happen. A few of these 17 worst SUVs are surprisingly popular. They might look great at first, but their problems can leave you frustrated and broke. And here's the jaw dropper. One SUV on this list was so plagued with issues, it helped bankrupt the company that made it. You'll want to stick around to find out which one, especially if you're thinking about buying an electric SUV. Let's start with the least terrible and count down to the absolute worst. Number 15 is the Audi Q3. Like nearly every brand on this list, Audi has a history of questionable quality. The major drawback of the Audi Q3 is its abysmal history. Consumer Reports listed the 2016 and 2022 Q3 on its list of 60 used cars to avoid. There have been 16 recalls affecting their 2020 to 2024 models. Common problems include faulty electrical systems, turbocharger problems, rough shifting, and the rear view camera not working. One owner reported, "The design inside and out attracted me to a test drive. I really wanted to love this car. However, I was quite disappointed due to the lack of power. I think my expectations were too high, considering the make." The Audi Q3 is a fine vehicle, but requires more frequent repairs than the average German luxury car. It will also lose 33% of its value in 3 years. The only good thing about the Q3 is that it isn't nearly as expensive as the next car. Number 14 is the Rivian R1S. The Rivian R1S should be the best SUV in the world. It is all electric, has loads of cool tech, and is perfect for off-roading. It also goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The 400 miles you get on a single charge are much better than those of a Tesla. Sadly, the R1S has terrible build quality. The cars have undergone 13 recalls so far. Issues include lights being deactivated at night and temperamental cruise control. CR gave this SUV a predicted reliability of just 9. Only one SUV got a lower score, so stick around for that. One owner gave a scathing review saying, "The quality is atrocious for an over $100,000 vehicle. Constant squeaks from the passenger side, a premium stereo that is embarrassing. It has been in the service center longer than I have actually been able to drive it. This vehicle starts at $75,900 and goes up to $115,900. At that price, you can almost afford 2 Tesla Model Ys. The cost and poor reliability of the Rivian are so bad that they almost make the next SUV look good."